Hello, you guys. I just got the new Osmo DJI Pocket 2. I'm trying out my wireless microphone. Yeah, I'm just trying this out right now. I just want to see what the quality looks like on TikTok and on Instagram. And I have my mic. So if it's like muffled, let me know. If it's too loud, let me know. If it's good, you can hear me, sounds nice and crisp, let me know as well. But I am loving this so much, you guys. I feel like I'm going to be recording so much more content for you guys. I'm going to get back into my content creating era and like my vlogging era. Sorry, I just had dinner, so I have like stains all over. But okay, this is just testing. More content to come. Bye. Or we can do ASMR. Oh my god. I can make an ASMR account for eating. I think I'm gonna do that. But like I can show you guys like what I'm eating like this. And then oh my god, I just love this so much. Okay.